So it would be nice if we get married. So Zach proposes to Emma. Emma accepts, and they get married. So come together, link arms. You are now married. Link arms. You are now married. Just imagine. Wow, what a happy marriage. Can't you tell? Okay, so few years come, and just things just not what they used to be. I mean, they dated since high school. Zach starts wondering, I wonder if I settled. You know, I wonder if I maybe I should have waited. Maybe I should have dated others. And Emma is like feeling him becoming more and more distant. And then who was Maddie? Maddie. And they meet up with Maddie, and Maddie had been away from their lives for years, but now she moved back in town. They're living here in Oak Ridge. She moved back in town, and Maddie started coming over, and when they were both there, and then started coming over when it was just Zach. And one day, Emma came home from work and found Maddie and Zach together in their house, which caused Emma to become very, very upset and decide here is your fourth type of reaction, decomposition, which the analogy is divorce. So let's review. Here we go. Zach plus Emma means Zach Emma, the married couple. But Zach Emma, thanks to the influence of Emma's best friend Maddie, are now Zach and Emma again. So let's review. Double replacement is square dancing. Single replacement is cutting in. Marriage is synthesis or composition. Sometimes you'll see it as composition, which is the opposite of decomposition, which is divorce. Okay? So they go to divorce court, and then Zach, because he makes a little more money, he got a better lawyer, and the lawyer was able to get the judge to give Emma's little baby Yorkie, her baby, got the judge to give Emma's baby to Zach for custody. And you think the thing is, Zach hated that dog. He did it just to spite Emma. So Emma, look at Emma. You can tell Emma is P.O. So Maddie moves in with Zach because that's just the kind of people that they are. Emma, and she hears from her neighbor that Maddie kicked little Snooky. Saw Maddie drop kick little Snooky into the yard. Emma has had enough. So she goes home, she waits till Maddie leaves, and Zach is left at home, finds him there asleep with a bottle of booze next to him. Takes the booze, sprays it on Zach, lights him on fire, takes Snooky, and leaves the house. Wearing gloves, of course, which is combustion. Zach is just a very large hydrocarbon. He's made up of carbon and hydrogen, plenty of oxygen in the room. She adds some activation energy, which is the match. What does she convert Zach into? Carbon dioxide and water. Have a seat. Thank you, everyone. Thank Emma and Zach for providing a very entertaining analogy. All right. Now, remember, because in all of these reactions, number 20, all right, let's go back for Zach and for Emma. Quickly, write these things down. Well, Christian, make sure that Zach has access to yours, and Maddie. All right. There are 7 elements on the earth that always comes in twos. A couple, these are called the diatomic molecules. What are they? What acronym can you use? I think we've already gone over this. This is review. It's called Brother Huncliffe. Bromine, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, iodine, fluorine. Copy them down. It would be best if you memorize them. But they are on the back of your periodic table. All right. So you tell me what kind of reaction this is. Hydrogen plus oxygen to form water. Is it single replacement? Is it cutting in? Is it double replacement, square dancing? Is it a marriage where 2 things become 1? Or is it a decomposition where 1 thing becomes 2? Or is it a combustion reaction with a hydrocarbon plus oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water? Joey? Marriage, which the chemistry name for it is synthesis. How about this one? Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into oxygen and water. Is it a marriage? Is it a decomposition? Is it a combustion? Is it a single replacement? Or is it a double replacement? Why? 1 thing becoming 2. How about this one? Tricarbon octahydride plus oxygen. What does this look like it is? What are the products? What are the products? Carbon dioxide and... Okay. Combustion. How about this one? Compound plus compound. Mixing together. Double replacement. How about element plus compound? All right.